Hi guys, I am here at Winding Ridge in Wesley Chapel with my friend Dina. And Dina and I are looking around the model homes, checking them out for some of our buyers. And we're actually right now in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It could also be a 3-bedroom with a bonus room. Very, very nice. We're just walking around. We wanted to see if you guys wanted to check it out with us. It's 1,798 square feet. I'll turn this around so you can see it. So there's the kitchen, 1,798 square feet. That's air conditioned. It's 2 bedrooms plus a den. Optional 3rd bedroom with a big great room, as you can see. Beautiful light fixtures. Covered patio. They have a 2-car garage. With everything, it's a total of 2,477 square feet. Look at those light fixtures. Let's see, here's the kitchen. Really pretty. So you could come in and take the 2 bedrooms, turn the den into, or that 3rd bedroom, turn that into a study or an office, or even a 3rd bedroom, depending on what you want. Model starts at $381,900. So for $381,900, this all could be yours. Really, really pretty back patio. Again, this is in Wesley Chapel. It's called Winding Ridge. They've already sold half of the neighborhood. They're expected to complete the neighborhood within the next 1.5 to 3 years. They said it's very possible they'll sell all the models within the next 1.5 years. And then of course they'll need to finish the neighborhood. There's your realtor. But look at these pretty quartz countertops. Very nice. Hello, realtor. Really nice shower. Super nice. They've got wallpaper up in here. You can see the flooring. His and her closets. It looks like a boutique. I wish this was my closet. Isn't that beautiful? My husband and I would kill for these closets. I love those. Very nice. Let's go see bedroom number 2. There's my friend Dina. Say hi, Dina. Here's the laundry area. A nice laundry room with a door to the garage. And then this is what they are considering bedroom number 3. Next to bedroom number 2. They have it featured as a study or office. But again, it could easily be made into a 3rd bedroom. Just installing the door. Making sure it has a closet. Look at that light fixture. So, bathroom between the 2 bedrooms. 1 point of entry. Nice shower tub combo. Nice cabinetry and linen closet. And this would be bedroom number 2. Very nice. There's the closets. Again, really pretty light fixtures. Dina mentioned that there was a lot of light in this house. It's so nice to see the sunshine. I mean, we didn't move to Florida to not be able to see the sunshine, right? It's the whole point of being here. So outside there's pavers into the home. And the sales rep told us that all the driveways come with pavers. You can see the garage door. It's really nice. They've got a little bit high of HOA rates. I think they were about $320 $325 a month, I think is what he said. But it includes access to the gate. It includes a nice clubhouse, splash pad. They take care of your lawn for you and your water. So you don't have to worry about the lawn or the shrubs or hedges inside or outside, or the front or the back of the home. As you can see right there, we've got lawn guys taking care of the properties. You get a huge clubhouse, very, very big pool. All sorts of amenities at the community center. As you can see the sign. There was a fitness center on site. Super nice home. What do you guys think? So this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath with the option of a 3rd bedroom. 1,798 square feet, covered patio, 2-car garage, starting at $381,900 in the Winding Ridge, brand new development. These are GL homes. All the homes in this community are the same builder, GL. So the HOA is actually $335 per month. That's the community fees. It includes the clubhouse, the pools, tennis courts, gated community with a virtual gate guard system, gated resident entry and exits, landscaping and maintenance and irrigation. And then they also do mulching, fertilization, lawn and landscape maintenance, mulching, pest control, trash, and recycle. This is in Pasco County. The taxes are approximately 1.5% of the total purchase price. And it's eligible for the Pasco County 4% discount if paid in November. So pretty nice. All right, we're gonna go see a couple more. Enjoy.